and this is going to be a slightly alternative way to put cartoony eyes on a character using light. So let's go. Right, add a sphere. We'll add a target light. We'll zero out the position and we shall move the light. Oops, I must have got rid of the axis. There is back. Alt D. Right, we'll move the light out. Then we'll change, or whatever. And then we'll change the light to. Oops. Well, actually, we'll put the shadow, put a ray traced hard on. We'll change the type to parallel spot. We'll grab this little orange handle here and put it right up to there. It can be any distance, but this is just for neatness. And now select the light, hold down Alt, add a circle spline. Well, actually, we'll make the circle spline a child of the light. And actually, we'll add a bit of espresso. So, cinema T tags, espresso, drag the light in, the circle, and the light's output. We shall go to details, outer radius, and the circle will go into the input, object properties. My brain's not working. Inner radius. Oh no, this is a spline, so we need object properties radius and connect them up. So in the detail tabs we can size that, the light, and it'll size the spline. It's like magic. Select the circle spline and Alt and the loft, and that will give us a disc. Next, we move the loft spline ever so slightly in front of the light, and we put on the interactive render. We should see. Actually, I'll make this a bit bigger. We've got that. So we need to add a light, just an ordinary, just so we can see what's going on. So we have that at the moment. So if we go in, actually we'll call this pupil light, and we'll call the loft pupil, so that we know what we're talking about. Right, the pupil light will go into the shadow, and we'll raise it up to 1000. And now we've got a nice pupil kind of going on, or eyeball, or whatever you like. And obviously the disc is a problem. We don't want to see that, so right click the pupil and Cinema 4D tags, composite in, and deselect scene by camera. There we go. Now we've got rid of the disc, and we have, yes, an eyeball of sorts. So this could be an actual eyeball, or it could be the character's head, depending on what you're after. So the details, will maybe drop that down to 20. Right. Oops, sorry. Should have went to my bed early. So we've got this nice, but this depending on your personal taste. You've got this sort of like slight softness around the pupil there, which looks quite good. Or what? If you go to the pupil light details and switch off use inner, you'll get a harder circle. So it depends on, well, again, what you're at. Right, now that we've got the pupil on the go, let's see how we can move it. Right, we'll get rid of the render just now. Well, actually, because we've got a target, it's a target light at the moment. Well, actually, we'll put the render back on. We can obviously just move the light around, and the pupil will move around the eye or the head or whatever you're needing. So that's for folk that don't have the studio bundle with the character tools. So let's, for the folk that do have the character tools, then let's go and do a slightly cooler version of that. Though we're a bit espresso in that, you could probably set this up in any of the versions. Well, anyway, right, select the pupil light and right click, character tags, constraint, and we need to set up a clamp and a name, and we can get rid of the target expression and the light target. Now back in the constraint tag, in the aim, put the sphere, and the clamp, same sphere. So now we should be able to just move this willy-nilly wherever you like, and it shall stay the same distance from where it's casting the shadow. And that should give you sort of like a slightly better control. Now, so as soon as you've got that kind of thing going on, all you've got to do actually, we'll call that R for the right, and we shall control drag that to duplicate it, and we'll change that to anything else. So we've got that, and I think we should just do the same for these. So L for left pupil, Right, people. I think you could order that yourselves. But anyway, right now. You can move these. Oops, we'll put the render back on again. And there we've got two little black eyes. Oh, it's looking like, what's his name? Jack Lantern, what's it? Whatever that Jack Skeleton or something his name is. But anyway. I'll add the material. Oh, he's looking even more like him. So, duplicate that again. Let's call it mouth. And oops, what have I done? Oh, that's all I dragged the mouth instead of the mouth. And there we've got a little face going on of sorts.